Hey cousins, welcome back to our channel.
We've been MIA for a minute, but now we're back. We're backing and back. We're back.
Okay, all right.
Our channel was named K Nessa, but we've changed it to Bree Lynn to align with the name of our furniture flipping business.
We got this nightstand off of Facebook Marketplace and brought it home to flip for profit. First thing we did was remove all the hardware and give it a good scrubbing to remove any dust, dirt, and wax. We cleaned it up with some warm water, vinegar, and Dawn soap. After we cleaned it up, we sanded it with our orbital sander with the 80 grit sandpaper, and we hand sanded to get in all of the small little detailed areas.
The inside of the drawers were looking a tad bit dusty.
You dust might you.
Dusted and dull, so we used a mixture of olive oil and lemon juice to polish them and reestablish the beautiful color of the wood. The hardware was slightly tarnished, so we decided to scrub it with some Brasso. However, the color became 90s yellow gold. Later, we attempted to apply some rub and buff, but the texture was not given at all. We decided to spray paint them.
We applied about 2 to 3 coats of mint wax stain in the color True Black, and to protect the stain, we applied 1 coat of polyurethane. Here's the final look of the nightstand. It came out so beautiful. We currently still have it listed on Facebook Marketplace.
You can also visit our website breland.store to view more flips we've executed or email us for custom requests. The link is in the description box.
We'll see you later, cousins.
Deuces.